How to stake CheckDot. Go to CheckDot.io. Select Earn Staking. Choose a staking pool that is currently available. After selecting the pool, you will see the staking panel. Remember that you can stake only whole numbers. For example, 100, 200, 500, 1000 CDT. The minimum amount you can stake is 100 CDT and the maximum is 10,000 CDT. Now click Stake. You can move the slider to choose how much % of your CDT you want to stake. If you are ready to stake your CDT, you can select an optional option. I want to be able to withdraw my funds at any time. This allows you the option to withdraw the funds you stake at any time. Thank you for watching and stay safe with CheckDot.